Hey everyone, welcome to the Neurospicy Mama. My name is Amanda and I do in-depth product reviews. Today we're going to be talking about the Kitchen Elite. It's a 12.6 quart digital touch air fryer oven. This product was sent to me to review. I'm not getting paid for this review. They just sent me the product to test it out. So this is my unbiased opinion and we're going to check out everything that we can about this oven so that by the end of this video, you will know whether or not it's something you would like to buy. Right off the bat, the first thing, and it's not nothing, it's very light. As soon as I picked it up from my front porch to bring it inside, I was like, oh wow, this is like pretty light. I don't know how much it weighs though. I don't see a product weight on the box. So that's just a personal opinion. It says it's 12.6 quarts and can do a 10-inch personal pizza, a small chicken, up to 4 slices of toast, which is very important for me. And it includes a bake pan, a frying basket, and a crumb tray. So we're gonna open her up. I think I'm gonna have to move this down to the floor to get it out of the box though. Right off the bat, I really love how small and compact this is. It is going to be really great for smaller kitchens. A lot of other ones out on the market are much bigger than this. Okay, I'm gonna need to get some scissors to cut off. Oh wait, no, maybe it's got a pull piece, nope. So on the side, it has these cute little muffin indentations. I don't know, I just think that's cute. And then on the back, it looks like there is a heat vent. So I'm guessing that we're gonna wanna have space on either side of the toaster oven when you put it on your countertop, because they've got vents here. Oops, sorry. This looks like it vents some heat maybe from the back. And then there's vents on both sides. When we open it, oh, it's taped shut. I like the stainless steel. That makes it look really nice and expensive. It feels like it's very good quality. And open it up, and inside is our bake tray, our crumb tray, I mean. And then there's elements here. And again, elements on the top. It comes with a little mitten, which I think is kind of cute. Little nice hot mitt. And then we have the instruction manual, the bake tray, and the air fryer basket. I will say by the size of this that it's gonna be 4 standard pieces of toast. A lot of times I like to use a bigger loaf. This is gonna be a tight fit for just 4 regular. And you would probably put the toast on the basket so that it can toast from side to side, because it doesn't have a sheet like this, which is what I'm used to seeing in a toaster oven. It just has this, which, it can be multi-purpose, so I don't think this is necessarily needed. Okay, I'm gonna take time to read the instruction manual, because yes, I am a person who reads instruction manuals off camera to familiarize myself with all of the functions, and then we'll come back and test this thing out. But let's first do the satisfying peel. That is always so satisfying. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, the instruction manual is not exactly user-friendly. It's got lots of diagrams and I kind of tried to glance through it, but I'm I think I'm just gonna have to test it out and see how it goes. Okay, so I plugged it in, and when you plug it in, this digital interface comes on. I will say that it looks really nice and sleek, but as far as being accessible for blind people, I think it might be. You could probably put a little sticker bump, have someone place it like under where the power button is and where the different controls are, because they don't move around. Like on here, you've got a down button and an up button. And so if a blind person was to put the little sticker bumps underneath these, then they might be able to memorize where they are. So as far as a digital front goes, it's not as bad as some digital readouts for the blind community. Okay. Oh yes, one of the things that I wanted to make sure to tell y'all, because I know people are gonna ask, is how tall is it? So I got out my measuring tape, and it is 12.5 inches tall. Remember, you're gonna wanna have some clearance above that so that it has room for heat. And it is 12 inches across. Now on the box, it says it will hold a 10-inch personal pizza, but when you measure the tray, the inside of the tray is only 8 inches. So I don't know how you're gonna get a 10-inch pizza in here. I don't know if 10-inch pizzas are not actually 10 inches, kind of like a 2x4 is not actually 2 inches by 4 inches these days. But if you have a 10-inch pizza, it's not gonna fit. From edge to edge, it's 8.5. So I don't know why it says it would hold a 10-inch pizza. I'm wondering if they had a translation problem from metric to imperial system or what. But I emailed the company to find out why there was a discrepancy on the 10-inch versus 8-inch, and they replied back and said, "Thank you so much for your feedback on the instruction error on the box. And I have confirmed with our product manager that it is a printing error. We will immediately stop using the wrong version of the product packaging box and correct the printing error immediately. Thank you very much for your discovery and informing us, which is very helpful to us. Since we will correct the printing error on the box very soon, we will be using 8 inches on our Amazon product description. Once again, on behalf of our product department, we would like to thank you and look forward to your video release. Best regards, Gemma." I just wanted to make that clear. Okay, I'm going to cook some frozen chicken, popcorn chicken, and we're gonna test that out. So I've just got store brand popcorn chicken here, and I'm going to spread them around on the tray. This is interesting because these come in, they're not very uniform size, these popcorn chicken, but I cook with them in my previous toaster oven quite often. So let's see if this toaster oven will stand up to the same rigors. Oh, I'm almost out. Okay. All right, here's one of the other confusing things about it. On here, you will see that this is the little symbol for chicken wings. And then I think it's potato. Hold on, let me see. It is written in the book. Okay, so chicken wings, and then you hit the function button. That one is for grilled fish, grilled shrimp, or grilled seafood. It just is a little oval. This one is for beef, chicken, or steak. This one's for lamb chops, pork chops, or chicken legs. I'm not sure what the difference. I don't know why they need two, because in here, both of those, the beef, chicken, steak, and the lamb chop, all cook at 1200 watts at 450 degrees. So I don't know why they have separate function for that. This just is for meat in general, this defrost button. This one is for French fries, like if you're gonna cook frozen French fries. Cake, if you're gonna bake a cake in here, I guess you could bake it like maybe a couple of muffins or something. Sweet potatoes, like they specifically have sweet potatoes on here. fruit slices. Oh, apparently this is a dehydrator function. So that's actually pretty cool. So we have to try that out. Apparently it goes down to 160 degrees and can dehydrate fruit. So that's kind of cool. And then this last one is for, it says sliced bread. So I'm assuming that's your toast function. That's where it says peanuts, pizza, vegetables, egg tarts, and corn. So the function buttons on here are a little oddly specific, but I'm just gonna go with, oh, but you can also just do your own temperature up and down, but I'm just gonna go with chicken, frozen chicken, and then you can set your time. It's for 15 minutes. I don't think it's gonna take that long, but I'm gonna just go ahead with the default and then hit start. So we'll hear how loud it is. So you can hear the motor running, but it's not too bad. You cannot turn off the beeps. As you heard me pushing these different buttons, it beeps. There's no way to really disable that feature. I tend to like to turn off beeps on any of my electronics. Being autistic, I don't like those noises. They irritate me. But there's no way to just turn that off. So it looks like it's cycling between the temperature and how much time is left. I wonder if you cannot like push the button to make it stay. And then it looks like you can pause it. So we will come back in a few minutes and check on our chicken. Okay, so it's been about 8 minutes. So I just want to check on them because it's my first time using this. Okay, this oven mitt's a little awkward because I can't quite get my hand in there. That could be just from the angle of where I'm trying to work on this with the camera. But I just want to give them a good shake and put them back in there. They're looking really good. So they're not crispy yet, so I'm gonna keep them in there, keep them going, and I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, with 2 minutes left, I can start to hear them sizzling, and some of the smaller pieces are getting darker brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and, let's see, pause and just, turn it off. They smell good. Whew. Oh, I was gonna put that on there, but I don't think I will. Okay, hold on. Let me rethink this. I wasn't thinking about the fact that the mesh, I don't want it on my felt. That would get grease on my felt. Okay, so while the chicken was cooking, I just made myself a salad that has lettuce, cheese, cucumber, carrots, and avocado because I love a buffalo chicken salad. So I'm gonna add this fried popcorn chicken to it. It got really crispy. Like, it got nice and crispy. Like, it's like it was deep fried. So I'm very, very happy about that. And I've got some buffalo ranch dressing that I'm gonna just put on top. And you can see that it made really, really crispy, good chicken. Okay, so the other day we saw that this worked really well as an air fryer, but does it toast? So today I'm going to just make a regular piece of toast. I've got a piece of sourdough here with a good amount of butter on it because butter is life. I'm going to put it on the tray so that it has, you can get heat from both elements. Turn it on, and this last one right here was supposed to be the toast function. So I don't like that it comes up with 20 minutes because if it takes 20 minutes to make a piece of toast, that would suck. It's 2 o'clock right now. So we're going to see when I think it's a pretty acceptable piece of toast and how long it takes. Okay, it's been 6 minutes, and this is how toasted it got. You can hear it. Nice and toasty. A little bit of brown here on the corner. So it took 6 minutes to get here. That was at 350 degrees. I know the toaster oven will go up to higher degrees, so I don't know if maybe you could cut down the time by making the temperature high, but 6 minutes for this. So that's what you got. I'm off camera today, but listen to this crunch. That's me biting into it. It's pretty darn crunchy. So my out of the box first impression about this toaster oven is that it's nice and small for a small kitchen. It's fairly quiet. It's really lightweight. So if you need to be able to move it, if you have a small kitchen where you don't want to store it on your counter and you're going to be putting it away, it's lightweight. But because it is so small, most likely you're going to be able to find space for it on your counter. It got the chicken really nice and crispy. The cons that I would say are the fact that I feel like the function buttons are a little oddly specific and probably aren't even necessarily. I think just being able to move the temperature button up and down and maybe having a specific button for toast would be nice. And the fact that the box says it would do a 10-inch pizza and it's not big enough for 10 inches. So those were the two cons that I would say. But other than that, I am really impressed. First impressions, I love the look of it and the functionality. Like, even though I didn't understand the instruction book very well, it was very much plug and play. Like, it was intuitive to figure out. So for that, I give it a very big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and the link will be in the description box. Until the next video, bye.